In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset a OnePlus 8 smartphone. Okay, first thing you need to do is to fully power the phone off. To fully power the phone off, press and hold down the power button. Power off. Okay, with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the power button and the volume down button at the same time until you see the phone turn on. When the phone turns on, immediately let go of all of the buttons. Okay. Let go. Okay. Now go to English. Go to Wipe Data and Cache. Go to Erase Everything, Music, Pics, etc. Okay, go here. The hard reset is now complete. So now you can just go to Reboot. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like this video, and thank you for tuning in.